Now let's go to the Clipboard Group. This contains the cut, copy and paste commands. Let's see how they work. Say you want to copy the roll numbers and names of the students from this worksheet to a new worksheet in the workbook. First, create the new sheet by clicking the plus icon. Now go to the first worksheet by clicking the Sheet tab. Select the roll numbers and names of the students and then click Copy. Go to the second sheet and position your cursor as required. Now click Paste. So, you saw that the copy command along with the paste command is used to copy a section of the spreadsheet to another location. Now, if you want to move a section from one location to another, you need to use the cut command with the paste command. Let's move the data related to students with roll numbers 11 to 20 to a third worksheet. Create the worksheet and go back to the second sheet. Select the data to be moved and then click Cut. Go to Sheet 3, position your cursor appropriately and then click Paste. Now, you can see that both Sheet 2 and Sheet 3 contain data related to 10 students each. Note that you can copy and move data on the same worksheet, between worksheets in the same workbook, and also between different workbooks. Remember, these very useful keyboard shortcuts. They are real time savers. Copy and paste options. What you saw were the default copy and paste options. There are some other options as well. When you copy some data, you can choose to copy it as a picture. This will paste it as a picture instead of as regular data. Go to the first sheet and select the data of 2 students. Click the down arrow near the copy icon and select Copy as Picture. A pop-up window is displayed for specifying further options. For now, let's keep the defaults. Simply click OK. Now position your cursor as required and select Paste. You can see that the data is pasted as a picture. The contextual Format tab appears under the heading Picture Tools. This tab contains various picture formatting options which we will learn later. Just like the copy command, there are various paste options that appear based on what you have copied. Copy the name of a student using the shortcut Ctrl+C. Now click the arrow below the paste icon. See how many paste options appear. Roll your mouse over each to see the functionality. Format Painter. There is one more very useful command in the Clipboard Group. Format Painter. If you have applied formatting to some cells and want it replicated, it's quick and easy process. Have a look at this timetable worksheet. Here, the cells of the first day of the week, Monday, are formatted differently. To apply similar formatting to the second day, select the cells, click Format Painter and drag over the cells. To apply the same formatting at multiple places, select the cells, double-click the Format Painter icon and simply drag over all the cells on which you want similar formats. Click Escape when done.